guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ilona, I'm an online coach, a personal trainer and a bodybuilder. And we are here today, hopefully in a premiere. I don't know, I'm gonna try to air this video as a premiere. I might film miserably. But yes, hopefully we'll be watching this together as a premiere, because this is a very special episode. I think I'll probably be on 5k subscribers anyway by this time. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. I never would have thought that I was gonna get this sort of result so quickly. I genuinely didn't. So I am grateful for everybody that's commenting, that's supporting me, that's watching me. I appreciate every single one of you. Now, what we're gonna do here, this is probably gonna be a long video, because what I'm doing is I took on the challenge, which you guys helped vote for. You guys picked this for me. Thank you so much. No, I kind of wanted to do this to prove a point. But I'm eating like Foodie Beauty for a day. So basically what I've done is, on Friday, I ate 3 fast food meals. I had a McDonald's breakfast, a KFC lunch, and a Domino's dinner. In the run up to this challenge, if you like, what I did was I cut back on my carbs and I cut back on my calories a few days before, and I increased my cardio. So for 2-3 days I ate around 2000 calories, very low carbohydrate. I kind of increased my cardio to about 45 minutes to an hour, so that I knew that on that day so that my weekly calories would kind of weigh themselves out. The day after, which was yesterday, is Sunday today, I didn't eat much because I just was not hungry at all. I'm not used to eating like that, especially in quantities like that. So it took a long time for my body to digest, and honestly, like after eating like that, I kind of just wanted to have like a green smoothie and eat some eggs and stuff, just healthy food. In the video you'll see how I'm feeling, you'll see what my weight was on the morning of the evening of the following night, as well as this morning. So my weight kind of came up and has already come back down again. I was expecting that, to be honest, simply because of the training that I have done, simply because of the carbohydrate depletion I had done. I would have figured that my body would have absorbed the depletion would have happened quite quickly. Also, I didn't force feed myself. I ate until I was full. Like, not like I ate until I was full and then I was like, I can eat a little bit more, but I wasn't eating to the point of feeling stuffed, where I was like, the food was up here. I think that's a really unhealthy way to eat anyway. So I ate until I was at a point of, right, now I'm starting to get a little bit uncomfortable, and I stopped. Simply because I just don't see the point. I know I just don't want to eat beyond a certain point. It's not pleasurable for me anyway. Frankly, the whole experience was not particularly pleasurable. I was very thirsty all day. The day after, I was incredibly lethargic. My performance in the gym was awful. I was thinking, oh, maybe because of the extra carbohydrates I'd have a great session. I didn't. I was weak. I had no energy. I think it's the quality of the carbohydrates combined with all the fat and the salt. It wasn't nice. My stomach was very upset. You know, Foodie Beauty is quite vocal about her stomach problems. I can relate. So yeah, it was an experience. Not one I'm gonna do anytime soon, especially as somebody that doesn't really eat fast food. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I am filming myself eating, but I'm not going to do mukbang style. So what I will do is, when I'm eating something, I will have set it up, and anywhere where I'm just eating and like watching something on my phone, I'll just put a time lapse in there with some music over it, and then if I say something, I'll pause it and then resume. So you're not sitting there watching me eat, if that makes sense. And I'll probably cut it back as much as possible, so we're not having 5 hours worth of footage to look at, because unlike them, I don't eat that fast, especially when it's food that I don't massively enjoy. Anyway, on that note, I thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, as I said in the beginning, this is a premiere. Hopefully you will see me in the chat with you guys, interacting. I finally got a piece of equipment that I can go live as well, so I plan on doing that and just have just general topics of discussions. I'll have to figure out maybe the live reacts. We'll see, we'll get to that. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this live with me, if you are. And I hope you enjoy. So I'm not going to give an outro. The video will probably abruptly end. It's here. We've gone through it now. So, here we go. So I've just entered in the calories for my Chantel challenge, which I hadn't done as yet because there's people that follow me on my fitness pal and I didn't want to give away anything as yet. So I've just done it and holy fuck the calories. If she eats 2 to 3 fast food meals a day, she's gaining some calories. I thought it was going to be maybe between 4,000 to 5,000 calories. It's a lot more. Check it out. Sorry, I had to just add this clip in before the video starts because I'm absolutely gobsmacked by the amount of calories, and I can understand why I couldn't finish most of the food now. This is really, really shocking, really disturbing actually. Very concerning if people eat like this all day, and that's being super serious. If you eat like this every day, your body will inevitably give up on itself, and rapidly too. You'll see in the video my heart rate and all of that, but I just had to say this because until now I haven't done the calories and I am just shocked. Literally, like I'm lost for words. Enjoy. I've literally just waken up. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna weigh myself. I'm trying to tell the time here. It's just 4:05. So today I'm gonna eat like Chantel. Normally the light's quite good in here for my abs. Let's have a look. As you can see, I've leaned out quite a lot. Expect them to disappear as this scale goes on. So now, scale. I haven't weighed myself in a long time. I'm gonna guess 75. I was wrong. 77.5. Alright, now let's see what I'll weigh tonight, what I'll weigh tomorrow morning, and I'll probably also weigh myself Sunday morning. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna sit around 80, to be honest. I'll be surprised if not. We'll see. You'll find out as much as I.
Hi, can I please?
Yes, hi. Can I please get an iced coffee?
The ice latte?
Yeah, an iced latte. Sorry, I said that wrong. An apple juice. Do you do apple juice?
No, we do orange juice.
Oh yeah, that's fine as well. Orange juice.
Yeah.
Can I please have 2 sausage and egg meals?
What drinks?
I don't want any drinks. Can I just have I just want the sausage and egg and the hash browns, but 2 of them each.
I'll just put the ice latte and orange juice on the drinks.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. And then, yeah, can I also have... You guys don't do breakfast burritos now, is that an American thing?
No, it's for breakfast.
Well, the burrito.
Sorry?
You don't do breakfast burrito, no? It's, no, don't worry. I'll have 2 sausage and egg bagels, please.
Meals?
No, just on their own.
Yeah. Meals?
No, that's all, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, bye. Alright, so guys, I had to improvise here a little bit, simply because, well, obviously fast food menus are different, right? So I kind of went with similar options, I guess. Fuck, that is so much, that's gonna be so much food. I mean, if I have a McDonald's breakfast, which I do like twice a year, maybe, I'll have like 1 McMuffin, maybe 2 at a push. This is I'm gonna add in the calories as well, so you'll see that here. I'll put that in here right now whilst we're waiting. The calorie count for everything that I'm gonna have. I dread to think. I'm gonna do a guess. So there's an orange juice, there's a latte, muffins, hash browns, and bagels. I'm gonna guess the carbs are gonna be around 300. I'm not going to bother with the fat and protein because it's not. I mean, the fat's probably going to be quite high, and I reckon the total calories is probably going to be around 1200. That's a guess, anyway. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. I was kind of looking forward to it, like literally a minute ago. Not so much anymore. Hiya. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright, best get home. Probably get stuck in rush hour traffic with the kids. It's gonna be nice and cold by the time I get back, but whatever, it's gonna be disgusting anyway, so warm or cold makes no fucking difference. Alright, see you guys back home. Alright guys, so here we have it. 2 McMuffins, 2 bagels. They don't do wraps here, but I assume it's pretty much the same thing as a bagel. 2 of the hash browns, some tomato ketchup, probably nowhere near enough sauce as what our girl likes. I've got the iced coffee here. I'll probably drink that whilst I'm doing my react, because I'm gonna film one after this. I need to get ready and stuff. Orange juice, and what I'm gonna have a digestive enzyme. I'll have that now before I start eating this. So I'll film this, but I'll speed it up with some music over it because it's boring otherwise. Let's have a bite of everything. Soggy, delicious. Oh, let's have a bite of this McMuffin. I do like a McMuffin though, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know if I like 2 of them or in this quantity. Let's try out one of these bagels. I think it'll be better with a bit of tomato ketchup. It's quite dry. Anyway, I'm gonna watch a new upload by JCS Criminal Psychology and eat this. So here is the time lapse.
They were on a...
I've had 1 hash brown and 1 muffin, and I can feel that this probably would be enough. I am going to eat more. Like I said, I'm not going to force feed, but I can feel now already this will probably be enough for me for a few hours until I need to eat again. But it's early, it's 8:30. I normally never eat this early, and because I'm only eating 3 times a day, I probably won't go for another meal. I'll get KFC later, and I'll probably do that after lunch, I would imagine, and then Domino's tonight when Eva gets home. I'll try and finish that, but I'm starting to get to a limit where I'm like, more is not nice, but I'll try this. Persistence. We want to be like Foodie Beauty. We will eat ourselves to the point of feeling sick. Not actually sick. It's amazing. It's quite perplexing. It's quite amazing to do this. I mean, like, I'm only my first meal in. And already, like, I'm quite good at... Sorry, this food really sticks to my teeth as well. This is only my first meal. And I can already tell I'm not going to finish this. I'll try and finish this. I don't ever feel a need to finish food when I feel full up, because I have those cues built in. I know when I'm full up, and I'm full up now. I'm not like stuffed. I'm like comfortably full up. I could eat more. I am going to try and finish this, but I don't see how people... I can see the pleasure in eating, because it's enjoyable. Like, I enjoyed the first McMuffin, but the pleasure in eating to the point where you're so full that you're uncomfortable, I don't get that, because it's not nice. I'm purposely wearing like tracksuit bottoms and a loose jumper today because I know I'm gonna feel like a fat fuck, and I just want to have clothes in which I can expand as the day goes on and just feel comfortable and not wear anything restrictive. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm gonna finish this and stop. It all starts tasting the same. I can't really identify flavors. It just tastes kind of like salt, to be honest. The first muffin was nice. The brownies were shit. I was gonna say the donuts, they're not donuts. The bagels are even worse. This meal will probably give me a sick fucking pump though, and I will imagine like my veins will pop. I've depleted myself. I've been low carb, so I know I'm looking flat. My glycogen stores are truly depleted. So we'll see in a second, because the light's quite good here. I'll give you a little chest pump. You know, especially for the haters with my man chest. I love my man chest. It's probably one of my favorite features. But I'll only look good after one meal. If I do 3 more meals like this, it's too many carbohydrates. Glycogen stores cannot absorb all the water. It will overspill, and it'll take a few days before it normalizes again. But I'm sure I'm gonna look pretty good after this though. I'm gonna get... this is the sort of stuff I eat before I go on stage, just to get like really pumped. Salt, simple carbs, good pumps. Ah, last bite. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, that is that done. I'm gonna get ready for a video now, which you will have seen by this time. Anyway, let's check out the pump, shall we? Well, chest is coming a little bit. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get ready for a vlog now. Update. My heart rate is currently sitting, and I wasn't even getting that irate in this video, so it's nothing to do with that. My heart rate is sitting at 90 at the moment. My resting heart rate is normally 56. I feel headachy. I don't feel super bloated or super full up. I feel full up, but not like, full up. You know what I mean when I go, that's feeling, right?
Can I help please?
Yes, hiya. Can I have your, like, that burger that has got, like, 2 chicken burgers in it?
The single stacker.
Yeah. Can I have that as a meal, please?
Yeah, and what's the drink with it?
Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Can I also get some gravy?
Yeah.
Some hot wings?
Would you like a box meal then? You get a gravy and the hot wings with the single stacker, yeah?
Yeah, if that works, yeah, that sounds fine.
And the drink was?
Diet Coke, please.
Yeah.
And can I also have some coleslaw?
Yeah.
And can I get some drumsticks as well, please?
How many?
2.
Yeah.
And I think that's it. What sauces do you do?
We do some dips, garlic, mayo, barbecue, sweet chili, hot sauce.
Can I have the garlic mayo 2 please?
Yeah.
That's all, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
13.17. Thank you.
Okay, cheers, bye.
No.
Guys, there's gonna be ads in this video because I'm fucking spending a fortune on shit food. Watch them, please. Nah. I'm not gonna force you to watch them, but just know it is gonna be a ad heavy video. I like. Oh shit! What the? Honestly, this guy just like fucking reverse. That wasn't a guy, it was a woman. Jesus Christ! What are you looking at? Go then. She's like fucking staring me out in the rear window. It's like, well, you're the cunt that almost drove into me, you stupid prick. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, she didn't hit my car, so I'm fine.
Yeah, it was just like on the limit.
Yeah, she very much was on the limit.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
37.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, she didn't realize. She was like,
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Let me give you the
Sure.
your receipt, yeah.
Thank you.
Park just around the corner. There's
Yeah.
a small parking.
Okay.
Even in 3 minutes. The singer is still waiting.
Okay, sure, no worries. Thank you. Alright guys, so here we have it. The full meal kind of on display. I don't really know how to place this properly because I'm not going to sit here with a book under my fucking chin to eat. I'll probably just try a little bit of everything to see what the fuss is all about. Let's try some of this gravy. The chips are soggy. But let's try some of this garlic mayo. Garlic mayo is decent. Alright. The coleslaw tastes like plastic. Let's try drumsticks, shall we? The batter isn't crispy. Oh, let's go for this behemoth. Crunchy bits. The crunchy bits I like. Right. Beauty bite! Honestly, that burger is quite nice. It's quite spicy and it's fresh as well. All of this tastes old. Let me just try a wing. Get some garlic on there. The wings are alright as well. They're crispy too. Of course, got my Diet Coke. To be honest, I always drink Diet Coke. I know people get funny, but they're like, oh, well, if you're eating all this shit, then why drink Diet Coke? Because it tastes nicer. in my opinion. And also if you can avoid drinking like, I don't know, like 30 grams of sugar, even though this already has a lot of carbs and calories in it, at least it's something, right? Ooh, that definitely has a kick to it. So I've eaten the 2 wings, I've eaten the 2 drumsticks, some fries, half of that coleslaw. I'm starting to get pretty full. I barely touched this burger. I'm persisting though. I don't know if I'll finish the fries though. They're not very nice. Let's go. I'm gonna finish this and call it quits. I'm not bothered by the coleslaw. That's rank. The mayo's good. I'm Dutch. I'm gonna love mayonnaise. The chips are awful. Again, I'm Dutch. The Dutch know how to fry a chip. Sorry, if you've never had Dutch chips, you English and you chippies, it honestly, it's not even like, I've never had an English chip shop chip that is even close to a Dutch chip shop chip. But that's just my opinion. This burger is decent though. But I am starting to feel very full. Gotta get that lettuce in there. Because we all know that green cancels out the fat. Science. Done. Honestly, that burger was decent. Everything else, don't get the hype. This one, I have had KFC before that was nice, and this particular one is not very good. So yeah, I'm gonna. I need to edit. Can't believe it's 3 o'clock already. I've got so much shit to do still. This was supposed to be a day where I'm a bit more relaxed, using the time to do things around the house. Instead, I end up being busy. It's fine. It's the life I chose. I might give it a minute though. Let it sink down. Remove all this fast food from my teeth. "10 minutes more or less is not going to make a difference." That's my phone falling down. Alright. How am I feeling? We're about an hour after eating the KFC. I have to say, I don't feel like super full. I don't feel hungry, but I don't feel stuffed either. I thought I was gonna feel worse than that. But what I have noticed is that I'm incredibly thirsty. Like, I mean, I eat a lot of salt in my food anyway because I train a lot, so it's very important for me to have salt. But this is like, I don't know, it's a different kind of thirst. It's almost like a smoked joint or something. Like that sort of like dryness in my mouth. I haven't, by the way. It's been a long time since I did that. But yeah, and also I just feel like lethargic, not in the mood, no energy. I feel a little bit heady. I thought I would feel physically more sick, but I just don't feel like my energy is where it would be normally. And I've had things like Diet Coke, I've had a coffee this morning with the thing, and normally I just feel like I'm more energetic. I feel like I'm working on like 70% of my capacity as opposed to 100%. And I slept quite well last night too, so that's definitely not it. So I've just ordered my pizza. It's a large one with a classic crust. I normally would go for a thin crust, extra thin crust actually. I added on there onions, jalapenos, pork meatballs, sausage, garlic and extra cheese. I also got a big dip. And I got some barbecue wings because that's the sort of stuff she eats Domino's like pretty much every other mukbang. Or there's like, looking on her channel, there is actually about 15 mukbangs that are Domino's and they're all different. So I figured I'd just make my own Domino's. And she's done one with wings as well. And I do really like wings. I feel like I'm very protein deficient today. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. Not really, but we're doing it, guys. Alright, so here we have the Domino's. I got a big dip. I do actually like these garlic dips. We got some wings. I got a pizza with sausage, meatballs, onions and pepperonis. I have to say I do have some heartburn. I'm not overly hungry. It's a thick crust as well. I never have thick crust pizza. So let's try one of these wings. Beauty bite! Not bad. A little bit fatty. I prefer wings when they're grilled. Alright. Let's have a slice of this pizza, shall we? Dip it. I mean, it tastes nice. I just prefer the thin crust. I'm not a big fan of thicker crust pizzas, but that's just a preference. But it's nice. Anyway, best get eating. No joke, I actually feel full up already. I've had a little bit over half of those chicken wings and 2 slices of pizza. I actually don't know how much more of this pizza I can eat. I'm going to try this really big slice. I might have to call it quits after that, guys. Then Ivo can have the rest. He didn't want pizza, but he can have it for work tomorrow or something, I don't know. He doesn't like jalapenos, but he can pick them off. Alright, let's get going. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna call it quits. I'm not gonna force myself to eat beyond the limit that I should eat. I'm starting to feel quite uncomfortable now. So yeah, I ate all the wings, half a large pizza, I mean, this is the largest you can get in the UK, this size. It's like 13 inch, 13.5 inch. Yeah, I'll be interested to see how I'm going to feel over the next hour or so. Pardon me. My video's finally processed. Only took 2 hours. 30-minute video. Fucking ridiculous. At least I don't have to make breakfast. Oh well. At least I don't have to make dinner. Ah, I can't talk. At least I don't have to make lunch for my fiance tomorrow. He can have pizza. Don't know if he wants it, but I'm sure he will, because I'm not going to eat it. After today, I don't want to see any fast food for a very long time. So, I mean, I do kind of have abs still. Kind of, but the thing is, you've got to remember, like, I am really lean. So, even when I prep, if I'm like lean and I have a refeed, I'll look like a tortoise. But you can see it more from the side. Now, that might not look like a lot to a lot of people. But for me, that's a lot, because this morning this was flat and I had like a bit more of a tie in here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel quite headachy, a little bit sicky. It's 6:30. Yeah, I'm just gonna lay down and just watch TV and just feel fat, because that's what I do right now. I feel fat. I don't see how anybody would want to eat like this every single day. But I'll check in before I go to bed, I'm sure. What was I, 77.5 this morning? I am wearing some clothes, but what, not even half a kilo of clothes, right? So basically I've gained 77. So I've gained around 3 kilos. So I've gained around 3.5 kilos, I think, which is 6-7 pounds just in one day. I'll be interested to see what I'll be like tomorrow. I think come Monday or Tuesday is probably when the weight is fully off. But I'll weigh myself tomorrow morning. I'll do my check-in tomorrow morning. So this is the morning after. Still looking a little bit bloated. Just soft. And let's see what the scale says, shall we? I'm still up 2 kilos from yesterday, so it's 4 pounds. That'll probably come down over the next couple of days now. Time to go train pack. This is day 2. Abs are returning to normal. Almost back to normal. Let's see what the scale says. Almost. So, I'm summarizing in a different video.